Hey guys, I am playing Animal Jam, and I am playing Best Dressed. That is not my usual intro. Lol. Hey guys, my name is Yanchan the Gamer Llama, but you can call me the Gamer Llama. So basically, I am playing Animal Jam again, and I am playing Best Dressed on Animal Jam. So, who dressed up the happiest? This bunny rabbit, cute kawaii little bunny rabbit. So I actually recorded this video a second ago, but someone texted me at the same time, and I was like, oh, okay, let me just text that back. And like for the whole 15 minutes, I was texting someone. I'm so sorry. I came second. Not that bad, I guess. Kind of bad at this game. Ooh, sorry, I'm kind of sick. So, yeah. 1 second, I'll just take my microphone. So, sorry if it's a bit louder, but I have like my microphone in my hand, so it might be a little loud. But I am dressing up like a pop star, so I don't know why, but I imagine pop stars should be like pink. Maybe they aren't. They probably aren't. But I don't know. Someone went in my den. I don't know who it is, but I know that someone went in my den because I heard their ding dong. Oh, me and that deer were the same elf things. I think so. Yep, I'm voting for that deer because I said so. Sorry that you have to go through that loud and not loud part, but that's just how my microphone does it, basically. 1, 2, 3, 4. Me and this, like, we're like twinning right now. Yeah, most of them like use the fox hat and are pink, so I mean, like, I'm second. Precious Glamrose. That's my name. Oh, Nana. What's my name? It's Precious Glamrose. Yeah. Enjoyed the music. Best for a hike. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna love ya. Why is everyone going to my den? I would wear a hat. A spike collar. Skirt, not really. Psych. I guess. What? And legs. No, that looks horrible. Okay. Cloud party. Where are you? Oh my god, she's online. Oh my god. Oh my, where are you? Where are you? Hello? Hello? My purse. Oh my god. Hello my fellow MLG Lord. Hello my fellow MLG Lord. Oh my god, it's been so long. It's been so long. Let's just do our fabulous tradition. Oh my god, it's been so long. It's been so long. XZDDD. Correct. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I love my grammar. Yeah. Yeah. Mountain Dew. X John Cena. What? I ship. I ship. I shop. Wow. I ship very much. Mountain Dew. X John Cena. Mountain Dew. X Doritos. I ship everything. Even me and pizza. Where's the pizza? Where's the pizza? Lol. 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 I ship spring mang. Duh. Lol. I ship. Kawaii. Such kawaii. Such kawaii. Wow. Oh god. Oh. Ooh. I love Spongy. You. Oh. Baby. Oh yeah. Oh baby. A triple. Oh baby, a triple. Oh yeah. Oh baby, a triple. Oh yeah. Oh baby, a triple. Oh yeah. My microphone just fell. Good luck with that. Rectosaurus Rex. Oh, baby, a triple. Sorry, I just Tyrannosaur. Pterodactyl. I make no sense. Oh yeah. Oh baby, a triple. Oh, do you have a Insta? Or no? A is for a LMAO. B is for banter. Only the best. C is for Call of Duty montages. where the cool kids are at. God, montage. Jam is for join. I think G is for John. Cena! I was just scrolling. I have this story, okay? I was just scrolling through YouTube once and I saw a video called "It is important not to share, ask, or talk about personal information online. This is one of the Animal Jam rules, and it's a good idea whenever I didn't even get to read it." John Cena. Hey, where are you gone? I think she just logged out. I feel so alone. I feel so lonely. Yeah, I think she kind of logged out for a second there. And then she came back in. That is so... Okay. Oh, baby, a triple. Babe. Oh, baby. Oh, Bezeber. Oh, Bezeber. Bieber. Justin. Zebers. U is for Shandos aloud. Justin Zebers. Justin Bieber's new song, What Do You Mean? What do you mean? Oh, when you nod your head no, but you want to say yes. What do you mean? Justice Bear. Oh my God, Justice Bear. X D D D D D D D D D D D D. Justin Bear. Justice Bear. It's not Justin Bieber anymore. It's Justice Bear. And his name is John Cena. Do 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 do. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment down below if I should play Minecraft with or without mods, because I still don't know. I think I might actually make a Minecraft video today if I have time. I'm pretty sure I do, because it's just 4. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Goodbye.